Hello friends, welcome to Artist Box. Today we are going to do a beautiful box out of cardboards. Okay, so this gift box can be made of various sizes. So I'll just tell you the materials right now. Okay, so we will need the cardstock papers that we have already seen. I've already shown you while making the envelopes. The same paper will be enough, or if you have thick gift papers, that will also be good enough. Okay, so we'll need a scale, a pencil, a eraser, and glue, crafty glue, and some decorative pieces. If you have stickers, you can use it, otherwise it's okay. And at last, a satin ribbon, a small bit of satin ribbon, a pair of very sharp scissors. That's it, guys. So we'll start the process now. Here we are taking a measurement of 15 by 15 centimeter square for the bottom part of the box, and then for the lid I'm going to take a 9.2 centimeter into 9.2 centimeters. Okay, so there are going to be two square shaped pieces that we are going to get out of this process, this step. Cut the two squares and keep it separate. Make sure the measurements are perfect, otherwise your box will not be good to it will not fit the lid and stuff like that. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm going to take 5 centimeter as a measurement, and I'm going to mark 2 points from each side. So first I will be marking 10 centimeters, then 5 centimeters. So I have made 3 5 centimeter marks on either side of the square. So 4 times I will do this, and I will be drawing a line to demarcate it. So here I'm just drawing the line across the dots to make small squares over on this bigger square. Okay, so each square will measure 5 centimeters. So that is the concept of this box. So our box is going to be of the size 5 centimeter. Okay, so now I am just marking the place where you are going to make a cut. You're not going to separate the whole piece, you're just going to make a small cut along the line, and we are going to fold those sides. Make a crease on all the foldings that we have created. Okay, and make a nice crease, and then what we are going to do here is we are going to just start sticking it around. Okay, so that we get the base of the box. So alternately we are just going to apply the gum, and we are going to stick it. We will now start with the lid part. So here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark 2 centimeters on each side, and I'm going to draw lines on all sides. So I will have margins of 2 centimeters for the lid. It's almost the same as the bottom part, but only the measurement differs. And one more thing, this measurement can be varied according to your requirements. It's very simple to calculate it. I will be posting a video on various measurements of boxes and the lids, corresponding lids, and how you can calculate it, so that you can use it for your personal use, uh, depending upon the gift that you're going to keep inside this box. So every gift will not have the same requirement, so that will be very useful for you guys. Here again I am doing the same process of marking the areas where I am going to make a cut. Here your lid is ready, so you can just let it dry a little bit so that the parts don't come off, and you can check if the size fits your bottom part of the box, and then you can start decorating your box. The box will be ready now, so it's very hard and sturdy now, with the depends upon the material that we use. So for the decoration purpose, I am using pearl stickers that I already have at home. So it is your choice what you want to have. You can just stick a satin ribbon across the lid to make a decorative piece, or you can use the pearl stickers that I have used. But here I am going to just make a small bow out of the satin ribbon, and I'm going to use it for the decorative purpose for this box. Okay, so this is another way of decorating. I'm just showing you the various ways of decorating the box. So it's up to you, like what you want to do with your gift. Uh, this is a very cute little gift box that you can make at home with the materials that you have at home, guys. So this box can be used for various purposes. So you can give as a jewelry gift. You can keep sweets and eatable small snack items, and then you can gift it to your friends. You can give it as a takeaway gift. You can use it in various ways, and this is quite sturdy when you use a thicker material. And if you feel you don't have to give such a sturdy material, you can make it in a thick gift wrapper itself, and then you can use it for your use. I hope you like this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. See you all next time in another video. Bye bye. See you.